Hi guys, Neil Pender here from my home office in Dahlonega, Georgia, USA. The room tour of the Carnival L-shaped rooms is coming right up. These rooms are an amazing value. They're just awesome rooms. You get twice as much balcony space as all of the other balcony rooms on that same row, but the rooms aren't any more expensive. They're the exact same price. Unlike the aft wrap cabins on the back of the ship that have a bigger balcony too, but they're a lot more expensive. So these are really cool rooms. The reason the balcony's twice as long is because the rooms themselves are oriented widthwise instead of lengthwise. Another huge advantage to the rooms being oriented widthwise is that the beds in these rooms face directly looking out the window. So when you wake up in the morning, you can look out the beautiful ocean. They're just great rooms. I shot this particular video on the Carnival Valor in cabin 6473. There's 3 other L-shaped rooms right there in the same area of the ship on the Valor. You can find these exact same configurations on all the rest of the Conquest class ships. There's some other similar rooms kind of like them on the 7th deck as well. Also, you can find some really similar rooms to these on several other Carnival ships. All of those specific ships and room numbers are in the description below this video, so feel free to take a look. Also, you're going to notice a super detailed look at the bathroom, and the reason for this is that when I first shot the room tour, I actually forgot to shoot the bathroom. So then I went back and shot the bathroom. So man, you're getting a really detailed look at the bathroom. So you're going to see the whole room and the balcony, and then at the end we're going to look at the bathroom in great detail. So hope you appreciate the long look at the bathroom. Anyway, enjoy the video. Also, on every one of these videos, I always make sure that I point out there's only one reason that my family and I are able to go on cruises as often as we are, and that's because we are members of an invitation-only cruise membership that allows us to cruise for half price, sometimes even free. Anybody can do this. You can do this. If you want to learn how to do it, visit our website. It's cruiselifestyle.net. That's cruiselifestyle.net. Anybody can do this, and you'll be super glad you did. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Hope you get a chance to go on one of these double balcony rooms sometime soon. All right, enjoy the video.